So it is the next morning and I woke up early trying to get my hair to dry. I kept waking up throughout the night because I could feel my wet hair like on my neck, even though the scarf was on, so maybe I should have tied my scarf differently. And when I woke up this morning, my hair was still about 60% wet. So I got up and I sat under the hair dryer. But that wasn't really effective because the hood like stopped at my neck, so the hair from my neck down is still wet. So I'm gonna go to work and then come back this evening and show you guys what my hair looks like fully dry. It should be fully dry after going through the day. This is what it looks like in the back. It doesn't look bad. It looks completely different to what I usually do, and I wish it was dry because when your hair dries it shrinks for the most part, and I'm nervous that it's gonna shrink way more than I want it to, but we shall see. I did my little makeup and now it is time for the big reveal, so here we go. Alright guys, I know that was dramatic. I already took a sneak peek when I was doing my makeup. I filmed it, and so I know what my hair looked like, but y'all, I'm feeling it. Like, it's a vibe. My hair is like on my shoulders, so it kind of gets like a little bump right here because it's moving on my shoulders. But my hair is 100% dry, and I will show y'all. Somebody say wave check. Somebody say wave check. Oh, y'all want to see it from the back? Don't worry, I got you. Wave check, wave check, wave check, wave check. Yes, honey, okay. Oh, Flaxseed collection. I love it. I see it. I feel it. I'm just playing. Alright, y'all, I'm feeling myself a little bit too much because I was not expecting it to come out like this. I will say, if I were to do anything different, if I did this wet look again, I would fluff out the back portion of the hair, because if you let it dry in that clumped state, it's gonna look really weird. It's gonna look really weird. So you want to make sure you kind of like fluff out and separate the back portion, so you kind of have this like sleek, fluffy movements. Okay, we got movements. So yes, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think the two products that really set this off, one, detangling would have not happened without this Quench leave-in conditioner. This is my holy grail leave-in conditioner. Anytime I have a wash and go, this is what I use. So this was vital in detangling my kinks and my coils and my curls. And then the gel that I used, it was heavy enough to give me that wet look, but it was not like crunchy, crisp, hard. It wasn't anything like that. So I do like how the gel worked on the hair. And then adding that little oil kind of gave me this nice sheen. And yes, I'm here for it. So I'm ready to go take some pictures, and y'all gonna see in the thumbnail how I slay this wet look. Shout out to Leslie, Natural Neiicey, Happy Curl Happy Girl, all of the ladies who have done the wet look. Y'all are giving us versatility for the summer, and I'm loving it. So yeah, I love you, Naturalistas. Shout out to all my new subbies, and if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. I love you guys so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Bye guys.